Hi, guys, and welcome to our series all about Wix forms. Previously, we've talked about how you can add the opt in checkbox or the subscribe field on your Wix form, this little element right over here. In case you want to customize its design, this is how you can do it. Click on your form and click on Settings. And on this window, go to the Design tab. To edit your opt-in checkbox, go to Form Fields and scroll down until you see the checked option color. Click on this and change it to whatever color you prefer. Apart from that, you can go ahead and customize your form background, form fields, header and paragraph, as well as buttons. So feel free to customize this however you want to. And once you're happy with it, you can close this window and click on Save to save your changes. And if you'd like to preview it to see your opt-in checkbox in action, go to Preview here and then interact with your form, just like a visitor would. And if you've also previously published your site, you can click on Publish again so that the changes you've made will also reflect on your live site. And that's it for today, guys. We hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.